You're letting him carry the bowl?
Hello, here I am on the floor of my office again to say it's been a really low-key day. Like, I'm doing some laundry. We took Clover for a day at the park, as you saw, lots of cuteness. And our neighbors brought us some fresh applesauce, because they went apple picking, which was really nice. And I've just been like resting and stuff. Oh, there's like my notification. Okay. Because I got my Sephora package today, and I don't order from Sephora very much. They sent me it in 2 boxes. So I thought I would open it with you guys. You guys can see what I got. If you like Sephora unboxings, you'll like this, maybe. I know that I have like a foundation in here. Oh, you got the fuzzies from the couch. A foundation in here. But I don't know why they sent 2 boxes. I wonder. I'll open the lightest box first. Let's see what's in here. I know I don't know where my box cutters went. And now I'm just using scissors. Okay. Put that away. I don't want to give away my address. Oh, this is the foundation. They sent a single foundation in a box like this. So I ordered a new Nars foundation. This is the Soft Matte Complete Foundation. So let's see, in the color Cadiz Medium Deep. That's the color I am in Nars. It's like almost a perfect match, nearly a perfect match. And here it is. It looks a little bit light in the package, but I think it's just a frosted bottle. Oh, it's an interesting bottle. Let me just, is it a twist off? Oh yeah. Oh, this is an interesting applicator. Let me just, ooh. Once you blend it out a little bit, it's actually a perfect match. Whoa. It just disappeared into my hand. Okay. Okay. All right. Wow. I want to try it. I have a bunch of, well, I have 2 Nars foundations. I like their foundation. I have their Sheer Glow foundation, and I had another one that they don't make anymore. But this one seems, I like the look of it on my hand, so we'll see what happens on my face. But that's that. So Okay, that was a whole box for that. I got some samples, got my Glow Recipe samples, and like I got a Briogeo sample. It's like oat milk shampoo and conditioner. I'll try it, I don't know. And then I have, oh yeah, I was excited to get this Burdick Root buttercream. My hair loves this stuff, loves it, loves it, loves it. So I was running out, so I was glad to get another jar of that. And what else did I get? Oh, wait, is this, oh, this was the, like one of those little perks. Not like a perk, but a promo that they had that I redeemed. So it's heavy conditioner for coilies. I'm actually really excited to try this. It's from a brand called Pattern. I've never heard of them before, but I guess they do curly girls. And I'm excited to try this as like a deep conditioner. So yay. And then I also, oh, this is a new Comet Biologics product that I'm gonna try. This is the Honey and Olive Hydrating Balm. I'm excited to try this for my hair. It says with grapeseed oil and pure wildflower honey. It's got honey in it. That is slightly concerning, but I'm sure it'll be fine. So it softens and moisturizes dry hair. So this is a moisturizer. It's pretty well sealed, so I'm anxious to try this. It says rub between palms and thoroughly distribute a small to moderate amount through dry or slightly damp hair. So I could try it right now because my hair is dry. But I'm excited for this. And last but not least, I have a new favorite mascara, and it is a Lancome Monsieur Big Mascara. So I got two tubes of it because I love this mascara. So I figured why not buy the double tubes, you know, while I could. Mascara only lasts like 3 months or so. Lancome makes some solid products, you know. They're not as like cool as, you know, I don't know, like I want to say names of companies, but all those names of companies that I want to say are like not cool anymore. Like Urban Decay is not really that cool anymore. And remember Too Faced? They're not cool. What's a cool cosmetic brand now? Is Anastasia Beverly Hills isn't cool anymore, right? They kind of like fell off. Who's cool? I don't even think Nars is cool anymore. Anyway, this mascara is awesome though. That's my Sephora haul. Yay. Ooh, I almost forgot. I almost missed this in the box. This is like the entire reason of me really being on Sephora, aside from the mascara, is an eyeliner. I was out of liquid eyeliner, and now I have the Stila liquid eyeliner, which I've been using for like, I don't know, 15 years or so. I really like this eyeliner, and yeah, I got a replacement one, so that adds to the haul. So it's like almost 4 o'clock right now. I've got a live stream happening at 7. And before I do that, I'm gonna like do some stuff for my live stream, like do some computer stuff and finish editing one of my last videos for my other channel to go up like in 2 weeks, not even in like next week, but in 2 weeks. But I wanted to do a little bit of work on my bookshelf. So here are the IKEA Billy bookcases, and I have inherited them. They were in my husband's office and now they're mine. So I just filled them up with stuff. I unpacked boxes, but I didn't really organize them or style them, and I kind of wanted to do that today. Here's how they look right now. There's like fake flowers on top, but they're just full of stuff, and I wanted to make them look kind of cute and maybe straighten the store because the store's on here crooked, as you can see. Maybe you can't see, but you can see now that the door's on there kind of crooked. So I guess I'm gonna grab a screwdriver and try to fix that door. But I wanna style these up today. So let's have some fun. great. It moves some things around and I like it a little better. Still probably want to put some things on top of it. I don't know. But it's a little more organized now. It looks a little less chaotic than it was before. Put the music up here and down at the bottom. That just kind of worked out that way. This little shelf is for manga, for all the Fruits Basket and Full Moon books. I had to put some manga over here too because it didn't fit. This is like taller than the rest of them, this Cardcaptor Sakura, but this is my favorite though. Love Cardcaptor Sakura. I should get the book 3, huh? And we got like Nintendo stuff here, but also office supplies, and I had to like push these little handles further in a little bit. I can still grab them and open them, but now they fit better with the doors closed. So, I mean, they still kind of hit the glass, but the doors close all the way. So that's much better. That's an improvement. Evie here guarding the place. Clover thinks that those are his toys, but they are not. They are Mommy's toys. Anyway, more Nintendo stuff. Some notebooks I write in. This is actually Nintendo like Game Boy Advance and Nintendo DS's. I have a little collection of Nintendo consoles from different generations. I still play them, so no judgment there. I still love them. They're a lot of fun. And more music down here. Just some magazines, mostly the ones I've contributed to. Not like, I'm not a magazine collector, but I do like to have the ones I was, you know, my name's in them. Empty bin. Some more books, and I color organized my books just to see how I felt about it, and I don't hate it. You know, I don't hate it. There's not that many, so I don't think that it's like that big of a visual impact, but I don't know, it's kind of works, kind of cute. So there is my new improved bookshelf. Is this a good thumbnail? Probably. So I am actually really excited about tonight because I have my live stream on my other channel, which is called K-Daisy, by the way. It's a gaming channel. I've talked about it yesterday. I'm all about that life. We're doing Dream Island visits in Animal Crossing, but my friend Doug has a live stream at 9, and at 9 o'clock I'm going to end my live stream, and we're going to raid his live stream. So it's not malicious or anything. It's like a friendly raid. So like, I think it'll be fun. He's playing Ace Attorney tonight, and I love that game, and I want to send my viewers over to him. He's so adorable and one of the most hardworking streamers on YouTube. So I want to like send all my love and positive energy over there tonight. So I'm super excited. I love raids. Raids are so much fun. If you don't know, a raid is when you're streaming, and when one streamer ends their stream, they send their viewers to the other stream, and they just spam them with positive energy. Anyway, that'll probably do it for the vlog today. Really dull, nothing very exciting. So Monday I have a visit at the breast center at the hospital to get a BRCA test. So I'm a little bit nervous about that, but I will let you know how it goes, and we'll talk about that. October is Breast Cancer Awareness Month. Well, my speech nowadays is like rough. It's Breast Cancer Awareness Month. So ironically, I was supposed to go last month, but they moved my appointment to October. So my mother had breast cancer at late age, maybe 56. And she's still around. You guys saw her on my YouTube channel. But she had a radical mastectomy and a year of chemotherapy. So it was an event. So she advised me that I should probably go get a BRCA test. So we're doing this, and I'm a little bit nervous about it, frankly. I've had 3 mammograms so far, and one has been really painful, and the others have been totally fine. So I definitely encourage you to get a mammogram if you have been advised to get a mammogram at your age. If you are like at the age where you should be getting mammograms, they do suck. I'm not gonna like lie and say they're so much fun, but it could save your life. So that's my PSA for today. I'm gonna finish doing my live stream preparations and finish editing my Sims video, and we'll get this going. Clover, what are you doing there, dude? I'm gonna end the vlog today. I hope you guys are having a great morning, great afternoon, great evening, wherever you are, and I'll see you in the next one. Oh, Margaret, your idea for filming a tree every day this month to watch the leaves turn is amazing and I'm gonna do it. So look forward to that. It's only the October 3rd tomorrow. Is it? Yes, it's only October 3rd tomorrow, so we've still got time. We're gonna watch the leaves turn together. It's gonna be magical. Magical. Thank you so much for the idea. All right, I love you guys.